Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this gorgeous purple, pink, cotton candy halo eye using the brand new Dream palette from Sigma and Beautyybird. Woohoo! So excited to finally film a look with this palette. I wanted to do something a little different than what I normally do and really just try different stuff, and this is the look I came up with. So in this palette, do not judge because it has been used. In this palette, you get such a range of colors. You have your neutrals and gold shades, then you get a little bit of greens and blues, and then you get pinks, purples, and then black, and then 2 highlights. So it's a really fun palette to play with, and when trying to figure out what I wanted to do, I knew I wanted to really step out of my comfort and give you guys some color. So this is the look. Another thing about this palette that's really cool is that Beautyybird, Yasmin, is one of my good friends. She actually went on the Cabo trip with me for my birthday, and she actually let me sneak peek her palette there. So one of the days or nights, I can't remember, I don't remember much of that trip, but one of the days, nights, I did do my makeup using the palette, and I remember being so excited about it because I loved the pigmentation on the shadows. I loved how everything blended. I love how the whole palette worked, and most importantly, the colors in here, that there was just so many colors that are wearable, and I knew it was gonna be a hit. I was so excited for her. This is back in August. I was so excited for her, and I was like, dude, I'm ready. The fact that I already played with these colors made me want to play with these ones because I haven't had to use these yet. So I'm excited. I got that little sneak peek. I just want to rub that in your guys' face because I feel so cool about it. But no, honestly, it's so cool to see this palette out now, and I hope if you guys got it, you are loving it. And it's always a huge congratulations to Yasmin. I'm so proud of you. I am so proud of where you have come and how hard you've worked for it and just how much work you put into everything you do. And I told you it was going to be a success. We all knew it was going to be a success, and I'm happy for you. So there we go, guys. Here is the look. So if you guys are excited and ready to learn how to get this look, please continue watching. Also, just so you guys know, this video is not a full tutorial. It is only going to be eye focus, just because I do my foundation and whole makeup routine on camera all the time. I thought it'd be perfect to just kind of focus on the eyes this time, and also because it is 1:46 in the morning, so I'm kind of tired. I really had like no energy towards my face. I was like, we're gonna keep this on the eyes. But I did keep the camera right here even when I did my under eyes, so you guys literally see every little arruga under my eye, and you get to see how everything just goes on underneath. So I hope you guys are excited about that. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. Going in first on my eyelid with the P. Louise eyeshadow base and applying this all over my lid, and I'm just taking in a flat concealer brush to apply this color on with, starting right at my lid and then blending the base up. Taking in next the Dream palette from Sigma and Beautyybird. I'm going to be starting off with the shade Orquida and applying this all over my eyelid, my crease, pretty much all over my eye. And I'm starting this right in the middle of my eyelid. I'm just going to apply a pretty heavy amount right there, and I know that can be a little scary, but it's important to start right in the center if you're going to do it this way, and then work side to side and lightly build up the shade. As you can see, I didn't reach back in for any more color. I'm working with what I already have on my eyelid. So what I'm going to do now is take in a larger blending brush. This one is a Morphe M441, and I'm going to take this directly over the shadow that I've already applied and start blending the shadow out. And what I like to do is just go in back and forth, circular motion, and blending out what I've already have on the eyelid. So I'm now just going to go back in with that shadow and keep on following the same steps. I know it can be a little repetitive, but it's really what's going to help you blend out the shadow to perfectly fit your eye shape. And that way you can also see what kind of fits you, what's enough for you. I know for me, I like to go in about 4 or 5 times with the eyeshadow to build it up, because I know that sometimes I can apply it and the minute I start blending out, it diffuses it too much and it lightens up, and I got to build it up again. So take your time with it. Just do it until you feel it's perfect for you. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and take this brush down and roll it kind of under my eye. Not fully, but just to about right there. We are gonna be cleaning it up anyways, but it really just allows this to flow nicely this way. And again, this is still one shade. How pretty that is. So now I'm going to be going in with the shade Puesta del Sol, which is a little deeper than this shade, and the color Fearless, and applying this to my inner and outer crease of my eye. So with Puesta del Sol, we're going to add it right in here, and instead of blending it, I'm just going to simply be tapping it. I'm going to tap it all the way around, and then adding it on this side as well. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and take up the shade and lightly buff this in together. So now I'm going to be going in with the shade Fearless and tapping this directly over Puesta del Sol, right there. And then once I have that on, I'm going to clean off the brush and then now work the shadow in. And then now lightly taking Fearless up, like just a little bit, not too much. And again, right here, it looks a little sloppy, but it's totally fine. We are gonna be doing a little bit of a cleanup and fixing that all up right now, but just make sure you have enough black on and you like where it is. Do not take black any higher than this bone right here. You wanna make sure that you just tap it, and then you can tap up a little bit, but don't go past that. So now for the fun part, we are going to be going back in with my P. Louise eyeshadow base, and we're going to be taking in the brush M224 from Morphe as well, and applying this right in the center of the eye. I'm just going to drag the brush down. And then from there, what I really recommend is going in with a small detailing brush like this. This is from MAC. It's a 228 brush, and you're gonna use this to detail the edges of the base. And then from there, I'm gonna go back in with the brush and kind of spread the base all over the eyelid. I just kind of spread the base left, right, and then back with that small one, and then clean it up again. And then now going back in with Fearless and just lightly tapping over this area. Next, I'm going to be taking in the shade Beauties right here, which is a metallic pink. I'm going to be playing this on with the large synthetic brush. So I went ahead and put Fix Plus on the brush as well. And now we're just going to press this all over the eyelid. And next, you can grab any kind of small detail or blending brush and just take this as close as you can to where the concealer stops so that it can look even and also set the base with. I had to go up to about right there. So next we're gonna be going in with the shade Apartamento 512 and applying this over Beauties and over these shades right here. I love that song too. We're gonna go ahead and tap that over the shade Fearless and Beauties. Kind of just go over the shade, and then at this point it's really up to you to eye the color and see like what's enough for you. I kind of went back and forth with it just because at one point I felt that I had too much purple and then I had too much pink. But I love this like cotton candy effect that it gives. Next, I'm gonna be going in with the MAC Blacktrack eyeliner and creating a wing liner. I feel like I haven't done a wing liner in a while, so we are due for one, way overdue for one. And we're gonna be using a MAC 210 brush for this. This is by far my favorite eyeliner brush ever for gel liners. I've tried so many other brands and nothing compares. Honestly, look at, I stocked up this week. I picked up, wait, actually that's wrong. And I actually picked up 2 more just when I was at MAC the other day. This one is a 209, this is a 210. Best eyeliner brushes out there. I don't feel like any other brand makes them the same. Just gives you like a really clean line, evenly blends out the eyeliner. I just feel like anytime I use this brush, my liner application is on point. And I'm just gonna connect the wing at the very bottom of the eye and move my lashes. And we're gonna be topping off my eyelashes with Maybelline's new Snapscara mascara. This is their first wax-free mascara ever. This is a no clump formula, so it really glides on. It's very easy to apply. And this is in the shade Pitch Black. They do offer it in burgundy, a brighter purple, and a blue. And for lashes, we're gonna be going in with the Lilly Lashes in the style Ella. I'm literally mesmerized with my eyes right now. I'm so excited for this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup off camera, and then when we come back, we're gonna go ahead and finish off the eyes and the face and the rest of the look. All right, so I went ahead and did my face off camera, and I decided to keep you guys up close so you can really see how to do the under eye since we are focusing on eyes today. So currently right now I'm baking. I have some Laura Mercier translucent powder set underneath of my eye. This is not only gonna bake, but in case I have any fallout, it's gonna fall on top of the powder and I can dust it off. So it's a win-win for me. So I'm gonna be tapping back onto my lower lash line with the 2 shades right here and smoking that area out. Starting off first with the shade Orquida and just tapping it on my lower lash line. See how there's a little fallout? It's not bad, but you can see it. And then now going back in with the shade Puesta del Sol and pressing it right over Orquida. And then now I'm gonna be going in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eyeliner in the shade Vice and adding this to my lower lash line. And then now I'm gonna go back in with Orquida and Puesta del Sol and go right over Vice and smoke it out. Damn, my forehead is so hairy. I just realized that's how close we are where you guys can literally see that. All right, so now that we're backed up, we're gonna go ahead and finish off the makeup look. I'm gonna do my lashes really quickly with the Snapscara. Whoop, I already did one, so we'll just do this side. And then a little bit just on the falsies. I'm gonna go ahead and set my skin with Fix Plus from MAC. And then while that is drying, before we do highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and add my lip color on. So for my lips, I'm thinking about doing a pink shade. I used one the other day that I really fell in love with, and I was actually gonna hold off on using it until I did a look with the collection, but I just loved it so much. And it is the Domonique Cosmetics Berries and Cream lip color in the shade Creamy Pink. It's a gorgeous baby pink that I wore the other day. I've been testing and really like how it looks, and I figured it looks so good with the pink in the middle of the eyes. So I think this is the winner. I'm gonna start off first by lining my lips with the MAC Soar Lip Pencil. And as always, I'm gonna be going over my lips with the lip liner and just going a little bit outside of the line. I love my lips to appear fuller, so I like doing that for that reason. And then now I'm gonna use the MAC Half Hour Lip Liner, which is just a little bit more burgundy to add a little bit more extra definition. See how that just adds a little extra something something. And then now going in with the shade Creamy Pink from Domonique Cosmetics. Oh, see how it just brings the pink out more on the eyelid now? That's good. All right, so last thing I'm gonna do is add highlight to my face. I feel this is what's going to give it that pop that I always love. So we're gonna be going back in with the Dream palette, and we're gonna be using the shade Gemini, which is one of the highlighters in here. So if you guys didn't notice, there's actually two highlighters and a brush that I don't know what happened to it, but there's two highlights in here. This one's a little bit more on the pearly side. This will be a little bit more on the golden side. So I'm gonna go with the golden. Ooh. And I did happen to spray my skin down with some setting spray prior to doing that. So in case you want to know my little trick, I always like to just set my skin first. Wow. Come through highlight. And then one last spray for good luck. So something else that I was going to do, but I was going to wait till the very end, is to add a little bit of highlight in the inner corner of my eye. Now this is something that's optional. You don't have to do it, but I'm going to do it because I have a new product that I've been wanting to use. And it is from Makeup Forever. It's the Starlit Diamond Powder. It's not really new, but this shade is new to me, so I always think that that's new. It's like a beautiful kind of pink, baby pink gold. I thought it would just complement the whole look. I was almost gonna use it as a highlighter until I realized it's actually glitter. So I wouldn't recommend it all over the face, but I do think for like pop or even on the eyelid, it would look so good. I'm gonna use this small brush from Morphe. This is the M506. Do just a little bit of a pop in there. Glitter always scares me because I never know if it's gonna stay or not. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial on how to get this look. I hope you guys loved this look I came up with. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Leave me some love and let me know if you guys will be recreating this look. If you guys do, be sure to tag me on socials so I can repost you guys on my stories. I love when you guys create my looks. I think my Thanksgiving one, you guys broke the record as to how many people recreated my look. Like I was really, honestly, so honored and I was so happy that you guys did that. So if you guys do it with this look, be sure to let me know. So with that being said, guys, I will see you on my next video. Peace.